Peace, what's good, family? So, if you're watching this, you're looking to make some extra money using Glencoco, a free site created for freelancers, basically. What it allows you to do is it's kind of like being the DoorDash or the Uber of tech companies and businesses. So, the same way with DoorDash, you would sign up and you're doing a transaction, you're just the middleman, you're taking the food to from the business to the customer. In this instance, you're taking the client, right, to the business, and you're the middleman. You're making the phone call. So you're basically the middleman of the businesses. You're not closing any deals. You're simply just making money by setting qualified meetings. Easy way to make some simple money. So I'm gonna show you guys how to properly sign up. You want to go to glencoco.com and enter as a salesperson, and I'm gonna walk you guys through the process of how to properly sign up. So top right, you just want to go ahead and click sign up. And then from there, let me actually X out of here because I actually already have an account. So if you guys can actually see what my account already looks like here. When you're fully signed up, this is what it should look like. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to actually fully sign up and how that actually looks, just so you guys go about the process correctly. So you want to go ahead and sign up. You can, sign up using uh, you know, Google. You could sign up using, just typing in the email, whatever it might be. Easy way. I'm just going to go ahead and sign up here using Google. Boom. You want to put in your name. Just going to do CJ Brown. Put your phone number. United States, state of residence, New York. Oops. New York. Cool. Next, if you have a LinkedIn site, I would definitely create a page on LinkedIn. So if you guys don't know what LinkedIn is basically like the professional social media. It's all professionalism here. So no matter what you do, if you're a sales agent, if you just work a regular job, this is the place you want to have yourself, as a professional. It's not like Facebook or Instagram. It's more simply for businesses to know who you are, companies to know who you are, just to, get noticed. Even if you are entrepreneur, I would put yourself on here because you just never know what type of networking opportunities are available. But I already have a LinkedIn account. I've had one for a while now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my LinkedIn account here. If you don't have one, I would just quickly create a LinkedIn account. Put some professional pictures of yourself. You could do a banner. You could do a little bit about your history of work, stuff like that. And then it's gonna ask you how many years of sales experience you have. I have 3 to 5. Put how many you have, and then where you're from and everything there. So here when it says tell us about your work experience, very simple. If you have a resume, I would go ahead and just take your resume and take as much as you can from it and copy that into this section here. So here's my resume here. If you don't have a resume, that's another thing that you want to make. But I'll show you guys some of that other stuff as well. How to create a resume and everything like that if it's needed to be. But your resume, you just put that there. It only takes 400 characters, so I just put as much as I basically can. What industries do you have experience or knowledge in? So same thing, you want to put like what you really have knowledge in, but for me, I put education, I put finance, I put hospitality, because on the weekend I work at a hotel, so hospitality for me, I have that experience. Insurance experience. Let's see, recruiting and staffing. I've recruited people into business before. Retail business, I've worked retail before. Um, Solar security, sales tech, never really did sales tech. Um, yeah, that's really it, I think. Let me just make sure. Yeah, that's really it. That's my experience. So, you want to put your experience here. And now in order for your process to get expedited. So this goes through a process when your account gets approved. In order for your process to get expedited, when they say, how did you hear about this company? How did you hear about us? Use direct referral. use direct referral. You should be under my link and you should be under direct referral in order to get expedited. If not, they're going to put you through a longer process. It's going to take a lot longer for you to actually go ahead and start with us. Then you want to sign, boom, accept, and get started. Now, as far as that, they're going to send you everything from there. And then you're going to be able to accept and get started. I'm not going to go forward with this because I already have an account, so I don't want to create two accounts, just obviously for obvious reasons. But that's how you create your account. When you create your account, they're going to ask you to put up your picture. Make sure it's a professional picture. You don't want no bullshit picture up there. Make sure you have your bio. Your bio will already be there. This stuff will already be there. Your profile visibility, you want that to be on public. All this stuff is already going to be there for you. And they're going to help you out with everything, and it kind of really does it for you. It's almost like AI. But just to show you guys the referrals, this is where you get to refer a friend. And so when you refer a friend, they then, let's go back. Boom. So this is where it looks like. This is where you're able to do campaigns. So how the campaigns work is you have to get trained before you could just start booking meetings for a company. So the training is easy. I finished my training within a day, right? Like the training is easy. You just have to learn a little bit about the company, the products that they sell, or the service that they provide. And there's a bunch of different ones here. And the training is very easy, it's simple. And then after you're done with the training, you're going to go through a mock call. The mock call is just to make sure that you know what you're talking about, that you have confidence when you're talking. So you might need to go over the script that they're going to give you and everything like that a few times. But everything I did within 24 hours. I did my training yesterday and then I got approved today. So within 24 hours, I'm going to get access to now start booking meetings. And I did mine under hospitality. So my company that I'm doing is called Fetch, to where it provides a service to where people are able to benefit from them with their system as hotels. I'm familiar with hospitality and hotels, so it was easy for me. Every meeting I set, I'm gonna get $350. So you just have to set qualified meetings. As you guys can see, some of these say $2,500 for setting a meeting, $125, $400 for setting a meeting. And like I said, you're just setting a qualified meeting. That's it. 125, 400, right? So you could choose between which one you want to do. Each of them that you go to, it actually will have some examples of people speaking, so that way you can actually hear what you would probably be saying when you're on the phone. And when you do that, it actually makes it easier for you, so that way what company sounds like something you would want to talk about. Like some people may not want to talk about home improvement, or you may not want to talk about food and beverages. You may want to talk about taxes because that's what you know. You may want to talk about retail. You may want to talk about hotel businesses because that's what you know. So you could choose between whatever it is that makes sense for you. Finally, if you come over here to referrals, this is where you can actually go ahead and get your referral link. And every time you refer somebody to this platform, not only are you going to help them make money, but every single time they make their first phone call, you get $10. And every time they set a qualified meeting, you get $100. So think about it like this. If you have 5 friends and all 5 friends want to do this just like you, if you set 5 meetings, you're going to get, let's say, $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 just from you setting your own meetings, $350 each, $125 each. And if each of your 5 friends set 5 meetings in a week as well, you're getting $2,500 a week just from them putting in work while you're also putting in that work. You feel what I'm saying? So it's just worth it to do something like this, because you could put this on your resume. It's extra cash while you're getting, a job and everything. It could be something you could do on the weekend to make some extra money, so extra money never help. So definitely take advantage of this. I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all use my referral link. Make sure that was a direct referral. Make sure that you let them know when they ask who referred you. Let you know your boy CJ referred you. I appreciate y'all. Peace.